Hey guys, this is Max with Tucker USA. Today we're going over the 1 cubic foot Tucker DI tank. It comes shipped in 3 different packages consisting of all the components, and the only tools I have with me are a knife to open up the box, a 1 16th inch wrench, and a shovel for the DI resin, although any cup or container will work just as well. The components in the box, like I said, come in 3 sections. The tank itself, the 1 cubic foot resealable bucket DI resin, and the rest of the components are in here. I'm going to open them up and show this to you right now. Inside the first box, you'll find your blue funnel, 1/2 inch roll of Teflon tape, your male and female 3/4 inch fittings, the included TDS meter, and a couple of extra stickers thrown in. Inside this box here, like I said, we have the 1 cubic foot bucket of Tucker DI resin. This is mixed bed virgin DI resin, so you don't need to worry about having 2 different containers. And inside this last taller box, we have the actual tank itself. The tank works as it has a head, a steel mesh sediment filter that the water goes in here, through the mesh filter, gravity fills down, up the center tube, and it comes out of your outlet here. This tube here is removable. It is friction fit with an O-ring on the inside. In case this is ever damaged or this is ever damaged, you can replace individual parts of the whole unit as one. I'm going to go ahead and open up this DI resin. I'll use a knife and I'll cut open the top of this plastic bag here. And now with the included funnel, it'll fit just inside the top like that. And you're just going to fill up your tank with this resin. There is going to be a gap at the top when you're done filling it. That is to be expected. There needs to be a little bit of room for the resin to move when you insert the stem of the lid, as well as because it's feeding down. The DI resin floating is not that big of an issue. Once you have your tank full, there's about 6 to 8 inches of room left at the top of the tank, between the top of the resin and the top here. We're now going to go ahead and install our stem and cap. Installing this might take a little bit of work. As you push the stem down, that resin is going to compress and you might need to wiggle it side to side, pull it out, reinsert it, and kind of force its way down. Try not to bend too much left or right as you're installing. You don't want to snap the stem itself. It should be relatively easy to just put your weight down and force the lid into contact with the threads. Once you have the lid installed, we're going to go ahead and install the fittings. I'm going to grab the 3/4 inch male and female connections, as well as my 1/2 inch Teflon tape. Just going to wrap it 3 times around the threads. The male threading is the outlet and the female is the inlet. And as you go to install these, I have this wrench here. In case you do not want to over tighten these, you will see threads exposed on both of these fittings. I recommend that you hand tighten them first until you can't hand tighten them anymore, and then run water through the system. And if it's leaking, then you can go ahead and take your wrench. 1 1/16 is going to fit both the male fitting as well as the female. And you are able to tighten these fittings down until the leaking stops. It is possible to split this cap with these fittings if you over tighten them. So that's why we recommend doing hand tighten first and then adjusting the tightness until the leaking stops, if there is any. Once you have these installed, your DI tank system is ready to go. And this has been the Tucker DI tank.